And she is cooking breakfast. Mommy, what are we eating?
I will cook Kuya's favorite. I cook boiled egg. Do you like boiled egg?
Yes.
Now I'm cooking bihon with corned beef because Kuya doesn't like bihon with chicken or pork with bihon.
So he likes bihon with
Corned beef. Kuya likes
yes.
bihon and corned beef.
He likes it.
First, I will put, what do you call this one?
Garlic.
This is a garlic. Garlic. You must learn how to cook, okay?
Okay.
So that when you will grow up, you are the one who will cook in the kitchen. Next. Next. Okay. After onion, after garlic, it's
Onion.
onion. Onion. Ay, wapila. Kita na ko. After, what's this?
You're putting corned beef. That looks delicious.
You like to eat this one?
Yes, but I don't like it together when there's
Why?
bihon. I just like corned beef, that's all.
Why? You love this one.
I love to eat corned beef, but I don't like when it has bihon.
Oh, it's delicious. Oh, yes, it's delicious.
Yeah.
See? Mix it together.